Hey everybody, it's Terry at D-Lab. I just got back from a ham fest and Joby was waiting for me at the door, right? So he has a repair project for me. Old K, what is it?
503?
503?
Yep.
Yep. So yeah, tell the story, man. Where'd you get it? And
Well, I got this off a friend of mine, little K503. Cool little old 60s practice amp. I think it's a 1962. He had said that it still works.
Yeah.
But the last time he played it, he left it on for like 3 days straight. And he said it never sounded the same afterwards.
I'm surprised it had any sound at all.
I am too, you know.
Yeah. So initially I thought this was one of those hot chassis amps, but it actually has an isolation transformer in it. However, it still drops the 120 volts across the 3 tubes. So you got a 50 volt tube, a 35 volt tube, and a 12 volt tube. So what we're thinking is we'll put in a standard power transformer so that it's totally isolated, and he has a high voltage section and 6 volt tubes, but we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, you said that you've been off work for a while, right?
Oh yeah, since March.
Going on in the world.
The joys of it all.
Yeah, man. So in the meantime, you've been doing some hobbying around, right?
A little bit, yeah.
All right. So it's kit guitar time? Initially it was, right?
Initially it was. I started out with kits. I built like, I never really built a kit. I was buying parts. I bought necks and bodies and was putting them together. But then I got bored really quick and I was like, I don't know, I just want to build them from scratch.
Yeah.
So I started building them all from scratch. They're all a little dirty right now.
Scratch meaning?
Scratch meaning this was boards. This was wood.
And you did all the...
I did everything.
Wow.
I built the necks. You know, I bought some ebony online for the fretboards. They're all rock maple necks, different bodies. This one is alder. So yeah, and little walnut control plate. People seem to really dig this.
Yeah.
Because it's like a telly without getting in your way.
Yep.
You know, a couple of humbuckers, little half telly bridge. Wow. This one has locking tuners.
That's sweet looking, man.
This was actually the third one. Grab this one. Yep. This guy was the first one. This is based off an Ibanez Talman, which I always loved Talmans, but I wanted it with a Jazzmaster tremolo. Okay. So I did the Talman style body, added an extra little cutaway here, and the body carve. This one's got a mahogany neck.
Yeah. This
was the first one I built, so it's probably the ugliest.
It's cool though, man.
But I love this one, you know, and obviously this one I'll never get rid of. I'm going to keep that one.
Yeah, let me zoom in here on this stuff. I'm sure.
Sure. I'll grab the other one out.
Yeah. I'll just walk up to you. How's that? Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then this is the second one I built. Another, you know, basically the same guitar as that, except I put coil taps in here so you can split the humbuckers. So my guitar company, if you will, is Locomotive God, which is based off a band I love, Twitch. It was one of their songs. So that's my little nod to them.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I've just been having fun learning how to do this. I haven't showed any of it on my channel because, I don't know, I feel weird, like, I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm just figuring it out, so I haven't wanted...
They look great, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's the average cost from beginning to end on something?
To build one?
Yeah.
You're probably talking $500.
Okay.
Just to build one, depending on your parts. You can go cheaper or way more expensive, you know. Wood's a big thing. You can get rock maple, you know, you can get a rock maple board for a neck for $40. Or you could get like a flame maple, you know, really nice neck blank for $50-$60. So it varies, you know. Yeah. This is a poplar body. I think I paid $40 for the blank. You know, if you buy mahogany or something like that, you're going to pay around $100 for a blank.
Yeah.
So it can really jump up.
All right. And your YouTube channel is JobyRegrets?
Yeah.
Right.
YouTube.com/JobyRegrets.
Okay.
It's from an old band name. Don't ask why.
And we'll be seeing these featured soon then.
Yep. Right, gonna put out a video on these soon. I haven't showed them anywhere, so it would be fun to bring them over. And
sure. Heck yeah, man.
Let you check them out a little bit. And
yeah. So which one out of the three is your favorite?
Well, I like the black one because it's the first one I built.
Okay.
So, and I mean, this was the model I kind of wanted to build. This I call Linda Jane, which is after my mother.
Oh, cool.
And that one's Frances Helen, which is after my grandmother. Because, you know, Telly came first. So.
Yeah. All right.
So these are Linda Janes, and that's a Frances Helen.
All right.
And, yeah.
Cool.
This is exactly what I wanted in a guitar, you know. 2 humbuckers, but coil tapped, Jazzmaster tremolo, vintage tuners on this, ebony fretboard, maple neck.
Yeah. And you get the thrill of building it and hearing it.
It's super fun, man.
That's good, man.
It's really frustrating when you're trying to learn, you know. And I'm doing rattle can. This is rattle can paint. As you can see, I kind of am into sparkle.
Yeah.
You know, I got a white sparkle, a black sparkle, but I did this one, just stained it and cleared it.
Yeah.
So trying to get better at that. That's a big thing. Hopefully, I can get a gun sometime soon and, you know, do it maybe a little more proper.
Yeah, yeah. Let's take a listen to one.
Cool.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, all of these.
Oh, all 3 of those.
These 3.
Wow, Joby.
So.
Those are fantastic.
Thank you. It's a little gross right now from me being sweaty, but.
So, Marsh, he actually like cut out the pattern of the wood the whole bit. I mean, this wasn't like some kit.
No, this is wood.
That's by scratch. Scratch built.
Joby,
Actually,
you have found your talent.
Thank you.
That is just awesome.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Excellent.
Yeah, and it goes good with the amp too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
My
We'll
goodness,
have to
what
make
a
him,
sound.
make him a deal on one of them.
Oh,
We're at like halfway to 1.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna step over here.
You need a fan in here, don't you?
No, we can't do it when we're recording. It'll sound like crap.
Well, do you want the doors open at least? No?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'll live.
Okay.
All right, so Joby's gonna play his hand-built guitar on my hand-built amp. So this is the PlexZ that you guys have heard about. Very basic amps at like a 10 watter, but with his guitar it sounds like 100 watter. Yeah,
It does.
Yeah,
It's
man.
raging. So what did you say this knob did?
This is just tone. That's off right now, so
Oh,
it's
okay.
bypassed. So you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, right now it's in Marshall.
Marshall mode. Yep. So up here is like champ. Over here is like deluxe.
Back to Marshall land.
Yeah, it gets a little brighter on the Marshall
Can we
side.
turn it up a little? Get some beef out of her?
Man.
She cleaned up too.
Yeah.
I can't believe how loud that thing is for how little it is.
And the output tubes are like the size of your finger, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, those little 6
6, 8, 5s.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. You can definitely hear the difference.
Yeah.
Gonna try it with one with a little
Yeah, man.
quieter pickups,
Sure.
maybe?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna play the Francis Helen model here. This has a bit lower output pickups, so we can hear this guy, you know, maybe not so loud with the raging pickups from the black one there. Barky, you know. Let's go over to Deluxe Land.
Yep.
She does it all. How many watts is that?
10.
10 watts?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Yeah.
It's a screamer, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's rock and roll, buddy.
Yeah. Well, you know, you did bring me that one radio cabinet.
I know, yeah.
Maybe
you
I
gotta
could
turn
just-
that into something someday.
Yeah, I could turn it into this.
Yeah, that's
you
awesome. That is an awesome little bugger.
Yeah.
I would love that.
Okay, we'll do that. Yeah.
Do something to it.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. It's been here for what? 2 years? Great. Yeah, I'm right on it, guys. All right, let's hear the white one, man.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, heck yeah. What do we got now, man?
So this is just like the black one. This is what I'm calling Linda Jane, which was my mother's name.
Okay.
But this one has coil taps, so thought we would check out some single coil sounds on this. So let's see. Let's bypass the tone on this one.
Probably none of these artists recorded at these levels, though, so we should be fine, right?
Oh, there you go. With the tone defeated. Mm-hmm. What's it doing?
Well, it takes the tone circuits right out, so it's just bypassed.
Really?
So you get a little more gain. Yeah.
So
it is your guitar. It's not being
straight
colored.
out. Yeah.
Yep.
Neck pickup here.
That's all I built so far. But I'm gonna make yours custom in that cabinet.
Sweet.
The 2-year going on 3-year project. Yeah.
It's a cool amp.
Yeah. Glad you like it, man. So this was built in an old RCA. This was a UHF tuner that would go on old televisions in the 50s that didn't have UHF at the time. So you put your TV on like channel 3, and then this was your channels. So it used to be this analog tuning system.
Wow.
But I just love the cabinet.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Mahogany?
I'm not sure. And they call this a butterfly pattern, right, in the wood. So
it's really pretty.
It's all original, man.
Yeah, I think it's mahogany.
Yeah. Cool.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, so you do plan on offering these for sale on your...
Yeah, if anybody's interested in the white one or the Telly model, yeah, I would sell these right now. I haven't thought about a price yet, so maybe you could talk to me and we could discuss it. Or I could build you something else if you're interested. Okay. So, yeah, I've been having fun. I really dig it.
Yeah. Well, I'll make sure to put a link to your page on this so
you.
people can contact you.
Thank you. Yeah, they're far from perfect yet, so I'm not going to try to charge crazy amounts of money for them or anything like that, but it would be nice to sell a few so I can invest and build some more.
Sure. Yeah, that's what it's all about, man.
Yeah. Coming around, and they sound great through this little sucker.
Heck yeah.
Forget I'm an E. Yeah, same pickups as the first one, but...
Sound, dude.
Killer.
Excellent. Yeah, great job, man.
Great amp.
Cool.
Thanks, Terry.
Sure. That's